If you saw my last video, then you know that I ruined my face after a Hydra facial, panicked for weeks, and then tried the Cure Skin kit. Honestly, it was very stressful. Tiny bumps, redness, irritated patches. Basically, my skin was in chaos. So today, I want to take you through what I have been doing since then, how the Cure Skin routine has been helping me, and what changes I have noticed over the past month. Okay, so a quick backstory. After the Hydra facial, my skin went from glowy to oh no in just a couple of days. And I tried a lot of things on my own, but nothing really worked. And I started to feel lost. That's when I stumbled upon the Cure Skin app. I'll admit, I was skeptical. I thought it would be just another app pushing random products. But I tried it anyway because at that point I felt I had nothing to lose. So here's how it goes. You scan your face on the app, answer some random questions about your skin, and then a real dermatologist actually reviews your profile. Honestly, I couldn't believe it at first because it wasn't an algorithm throwing random suggestions. It was actually a real person who saw my skin and then recommended a routine tailored for me. I was actually impressed. So here's what my personalized routine that cost me around 2200, that included the delivery charges, doctor consultation and everything looks like. So there are five main things: a gentle cleanser, a barrier cream, a ceramide sunscreen, an under eye gel and a supplement I take every morning. The thing that really sold me is the fact that the dermatologist actually checks in on you every few weeks and then they recommend a few tweaks depending on how your skin is doing. Now, let me show you how I actually use all of these in my morning routine. First, I use this gentle cleanser. It's creamy, soft, and cleans without drying my skin. Next, I apply the barrier cream. Honestly, this is my favorite because it feels comforting, hydrates my skin, and really helps calm irritation. Then comes the ceramide sunscreen. I've been picky about sunscreens lately, but this one is lightweight, leaves no white cast, and works perfectly under makeup. After that, I use the under eye gel. It's light, cooling, and makes the under eye area feel refreshed. Finally, I take the supplement, which is myo-inositol with folic acid and vitamin D3. I mix it in water and drink it every morning. My nighttime routine is just as simple. I cleanse, apply the barrier cream, under eye gel, and take the supplement. That's it. One thing that I've realized with time is the fact that keeping it minimal is best for my skin. Earlier, I used to do exfoliants, AHAs, BHAs, AYZ skincare, but it never helped. And that's how the Hydra facial thing came into the picture, that I wanted to do something different for my sister-in-law's wedding. But after using this Cure Skin kit, I think less is more, and that's what you should be doing. I've been following this routine for a few months now, and honestly, I can see the real changes. All my texture has gone down. All the dark spots that were there because of the tiny bumps that were happening after the Hydra facial are completely gone. Some marks are there, but they are slowly fading away. Also, the fact that it has worked so good for my skin, I no longer feel the need of applying a full face of makeup while shooting. As you can see right now, I have just BB cream under my eyes and there is this liquid blush. I've done so that you can see how my skin is currently doing. I was feeling completely lost with trying things on my own after the disaster, but Cure Skin Kit has really done magic for me. Another thing I really appreciate a lot is the fact that the dermatologist actually checked up on me even after the second month. So the last video that I made was after a 1 month of use, and the dermat had checked up on me then. But after 2 months also, she came back and checked up on my skin to see like how am I doing, how my skin is doing, are there any new things that she needs to add or maybe subtract from the kit. But then again, she was there every step on my way to this clear and glowing skin. Also, I love the fact that everything is online. There are no salon trips, no dermatologist ka kharcha, no nothing, no delivery included. And you can just sit in your home, scan your face, show it to the dermatologist, and get the best customized kit for yourself. So here are my final thoughts and takeaways from this Cure Skin journey. I really feel the application seems too good to be true at first, but it works tremendously well. Some of my creator friends and colleagues also got their kits customized from Cure Skin, and they have told me that it has worked very well for them. The other day I was going through their website, and their website also has like a majority of pictures of the results before and after transformations of people after using the Cure Skin kit. So I highly recommend that if you're going through something with your skin, you can give it a try and it might be the solution. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Comment down below if you have used Cure Skin app, and I'll see you guys in the next one.